Okay friends, welcome back. And basically where we left off was that we can type any city name out here like California and whatever we type out here, when we do the search, we will see that the JavaScript function can take the input from this input element out here and output it to the console. So basically this part of this data fetching is working fine. What we now have to do is that we have to replace this params parameters out here with an object which would actually give it these kind of variables from a JavaScript function. So we'll have to first make a JavaScript function for this, and what we have to note out here that this params parameter actually takes in an object. So what we'll have to return from that JavaScript function should also be an object. Okay, so this thing was very important. So now we'll make the function call. So we'll just name it as get data. Okay, and then we'll put in this brackets. Now we'll make the make the function get data. Okay, and now first we'll go ahead and check whether this thing is working or not. I'll just do a console log get data is working. Okay, so now when we go ahead and refresh, we see that this get data is working, is getting printed. So this means that this parameter here is actually going on and calling this get function data out here, and this thing is actually working. So now what we have to do is that we have to return an object from here, return object. So basically returning object is quite easy. We'll just put in return, and first we will put in Q and then put in the name of the city we want. So this time I'll just rename it as New York. Okay, and give this a count of 7. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Okay, so now we can see that since we have updated this thing is from California to New York, and this params object is actually getting this object which is being returned from get data, and which is a Q property as New York, which is the city name. So we are getting this data correctly out here. Earlier it was California and now it is New York. Okay, so now we are seeing that we can actually get these parameters from the function or the JavaScript function to this params parameter in the iron ajax input element. So now in the next tutorial what we'll go on to do is that we'll just join these two together such that this will first make a call to this function, update weather function, and then get the city name, and then it will just make a call to the params object here, which will in turn go and get the data from the server. So meet you guys in the next tutorial, and please keep subscribing to the channel, and thank you.